wiring her. If you look at this, her door handle no longer works. And so she's got a new chip that she's going to put in so she can get out of the car without sticking her hand out the door. So stay tuned to see how this goes. She's doing a great job, I'm telling you. She's already taking some of the innards out. And I'll keep you posted. That's what we're doing. That's how we do. Yeah, I heard that one. Probably should be some more cards. Right. Let me try right in here. I'm opening the door, Lisa. If there's nothing, you got all the handle parts. Okay. I got all my screws out. Okay. Shouldn't be nothing wrong with that. Alright. It's on this side, something's in here. So we'll have it connected to the top part, you know what I'm saying? Okay, now, this is supposed to lift it, pull it thing? Yeah. Oh, she did it! She got that! Alright, yeah. Okay, well, we'll figure out the next step. We'll let y'all know how that goes. Yes? See it? There's the broken piece. Okay. Oh, wow. So right here, it's broke off there. That ball goes in there. That's what makes... Right here? Okay, I see it. That's what makes your handle. That's what makes your handle. Okay, I see it. Work. Okay. Yeah, I thought you had to go slow.